Morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to reset your service reminder after an oil change, as I did an oil change. So, what do we need to do that? Well, we need, of course, the MotoScan app. Wait a minute. It's for Android. So if you have an iPhone, buy a cheap Android phone and put the MotoScan app on it. You don't gonna regret it. I'm absolutely sure. Then another thing we need is, of course, in my case, it's the unique car scan 2100 UCSI. I will make links below for the stuff you need. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so click on the links and you're also helping my channel to grow. This is the OBD2 interface. It's a Bluetooth interface. Works great. I'm going to show you in a minute. So that's what we need. And of course, for this beamer we need the conversion cable from the round connector to the OBD2 connector. Whoops. To put this one on. Can already show that. Watch. Nah, that was easy, yeah? Yeah, of course. Everything is easy. Now, come on over and we start. First thing we're going to do is take the body sheet off. Very easy with a beamer. This one over here. Hop. This one out of the way too. Carefully put it away. Then guys, over here is the diagnostic connector. Then we take this one, screw it on, click, okay, there is LED, so it already gets a voltage. So the next thing we're gonna do is put the bike on ignition. Always wait for the Atari to do all his magic, and then we take the phone where we have installed the MotoScan app. I open the MotoScan app. Have a look over here. MotoScan app Ultimate. First thing I always do is do an adapter check to see if my phone is connected with the Bluetooth OBD connector. Interface present, unique car scan, okay, scroll all the way down, 3 times yes in green, always good, I think. Then we go to the R series, that's mine. The K25, okay, that's mine too. Instrument cluster, okay. Read trouble codes, always interesting, no trouble codes found. Then we go to service reset. Set the current motorcycle date. we can do it just for fun. Reset, okay. Then it's on yes. At this moment the bike has run, say, almost 70,000 kilometers. And I want the next service in 10,000 kilometers. So I say over here, reset. Reset, okay. Then we do 14.8, which is in a holiday. So I'm gonna put that to this is which comes first. Okay, give it a reset. Reset, okay. Check. Yes. And then we close the app, and that's all. Is this easy? Very easy. Now guys, this was my video, my quick video about how to reset the service reminder after an oil change. Was it difficult? No. Very easy. You can do it and save a lot of money. A lot of money. The next thing, I'm gonna disconnect the this one, the OBD connector, the control, the cable, put the cap back on. Okay, hop, put the ignition off. And then check, put the ignition again on. Wait for the Atari to finish. He does everything, secret stuff. Okay, service reminder, go with the wind. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give me thumbs up. I really would appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel, also good. Now guys, see you the next time, and for now, old mechanic out.